Hello everyone. Today I think I'm going to talk a little bit about a part of our style that's called turning, or sometimes called Baguazhang. And there's many different types and methods in turning, but the essential part of it is just, comes from walking or turning in circles and moving in circles or parts of circles, I guess you could say. But it's not just walking in a circle. It's walking in a circle with using methods that allow you to generate power with very small changes in intent. And so your body becomes like a vessel that holds the power that your intent can create within it at any time. Your body moves with a kind of softness that can facilitate change in any direction, but it's the intent at any moment that can create a disturbance that works as a kind of power, or some might say an appearance of strength. So that's kind of what's inside of Baguazhang. So every step that you take has to have that capacity. So in Baguazhang, or in turning practice, you would try to keep the legs both engaged all the time. So that results in a bunch of rules that you have to follow. So as soon as your lead foot goes down, you grab the ground with your foot and you start to pull yourself forward. And that tightens up all the ligaments and muscles in your leg, and it becomes fully engaged, but yet not stiff. And so as you pull yourself close to the balancing point, you will start to push off from your back leg. And when you push off, this leg becomes fully engaged. And as you get to this position here, this one is still engaged, but it's taking forces from a different direction. You just lift your waist, swing your leg by, and then you apply some force as you step down. And this force that you apply when you step down is a kind of straight force that is used. And that's on the outside, but on the inside, the power comes from the intent at any point along that motion, where your mind actually restructures your body in a sense that allows you to apply force. The idea is that you walk the circle for a long time. So the tradition in our school was that you do this for 2 hours non-stop in the morning, and then 2 hours non-stop in the evening. So I know that's almost impossible for most people, but that's kind of the tradition. In my opinion, if you do 10 minutes, or 15 minutes, or 20 minutes, non-stop, every morning and every evening, over time that will get you a long ways too. So the thing is to consistent speed, consistent momentum, consistent turning, try to get lower, try to remember the 8 energies and how they apply to creating power in the step. Just walk, relax. It's actually quite meditative. You want to practice these steps in a way that the stepping is natural, that your hands and waist is free to move, that you can generate power, and basically something that's useful for combat. So, and practice all kinds of turning. So that's it. That's a little blurb about Baguazhang. Any takeaways? I think a lot about the 7 or 8 energies in each step, generating power, and just keep your waist relaxed. Practice turning. Understand how you can use this turning energy to add power and to carry out techniques. Okay, well that's enough. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now.